let's go to work. As people were on their way to work, minding their own business, an earthquake has struck.
The earthquake was 7.1 on the Richter scale. 5 people have been injured and 10 have died. Many buildings have fallen down and others have been badly damaged and may need to be knocked down and completely rebuilt. This is going to cost millions of dollars to repair and replace everything.
Thank you for the facts, but what do I do to keep myself safe during an earthquake?
If you are in a house while an earthquake is happening, you can go under a sturdy table or a doorway and hold on to the legs of the table until the shaking stops.
How did this happen and where does it happen most?
Tectonic plates travel in different directions at different speeds. They sometimes slide against each other, which makes an earthquake. It mainly happens near fault lines.
Thank you very much, but now I need a new house.